क्या कहती हैं इस बारे में?
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and specifically salams to the Bangladeshi community. I'm here to support my brothers and sisters, Bangladeshi community here. I'm not happy at all what's been said by Keir Starmer in the Labour Party. He's targeted Bangladeshi community. He said they shouldn't be in this country. Who is he to say that for people who worked hard in our country? Who's to say tomorrow or the day after election, right, enough of the Bangladeshi community, let's now go for the Pakistani community, let's now go for the Indian community, let's now go for the other kind of European communities. Who is he to say this? These people have made Britain, and he has no right to exclude them from our society. I'm here to support. I'm here to be with my brothers and sisters, Bangladeshi people, and I see us as one. We are all equal, and we all deserve respect and recognition.
तो आपकी चीटल में कैसी कैंपेन चल रही है?
Alhamdulillah, it's good. The response is